The White-Rodgers Connect app can be used to simplify installation for select White-Rodgers controls. White-Rodgers Connect is a revolutionary mobile application that allows HVAC contractors the ability to quickly configure settings and accurately diagnose fault codes, all from the touch of their mobile device. The app is free to download on Google Play or the Apple App Store. Once downloaded, the White-Rodgers Connect app doesn't require Wi-Fi or cell service, and no login is necessary. White-Rodgers Connect utilizes near-field communication technology, or NFC for short, to connect a compatible mobile device with a compatible White-Rodgers control. It's important to understand where the NFC antenna is located on both your device and the control. The NFC antenna is clearly marked on the control's label. And on your phone, it is located on the back top edge for Apple and near the middle for Android. Metal phone cases may need to be removed. I'm going to demonstrate how to connect an iPhone to the AllSpark ignition module. From the home screen, tap on Connect to Control. Place your phone in contact with the NFC marking on the control. Keep your device in place until the check mark appears and the app transitions to the Configuration tab. You can then move your phone away from the control. One of the great benefits of the White-Rodgers Connect app is the ability to perform configuration without power before the control is installed in the unit. The app displays all settings that can be configured for the control. On select White-Rodgers controls, the Auto Set feature allows you to enter the part number being replaced. Auto Set will automatically configure the White-Rodgers control to match the original settings of the part. In this example, I'm going to change the system ignition type from intermittent pilot to direct spark and the tries for ignition from 1 to 3. Once configuration is complete, the data must be transferred from the phone to the control. Tap on Update Control and place your phone in contact with the NFC marking. Keep your device steady until a check mark appears, which could take up to 10 seconds. At this point, you can move your phone away from the control. The app allows you to share your new configuration, go back to review the configuration, or return to the home screen. The White-Rodgers Connect app has 3 other tabs. The Status tab provides high-level data about the current status of the control and system. The Diagnostic tab reports active fault codes, fault code history, and allows you to clear fault codes. It also provides troubleshooting tips to help service and diagnose system issues. The About tab has quick links to access product information, such as instruction sheets, installation videos, and other technical help resources. Thanks for watching how the White-Rodgers Connect app provides quicker configuration and more accurate diagnostics.